I'm loving it. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Now I'm just needing to finish painting the rest of the interior. Then I need to go ahead and get my seats done. But I'm pulling up to his shop now. I will come back to y'all in 1 second.
Don't be talking like a drug, nigga. And so fast, man, my shorty's never bug, nigga. He be talking.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Before we get started, I need y'all to hit that like button, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. And y'all won't miss any videos, y'all be on top of it. Now, it's finally happening, y'all. We finally finna drop this car off back to the mechanic shop to get the new weather stripping, get my floor pans right here, put back in, well, put in, I can't say back in, but we're gonna have some new rear floor pans. We're gonna have new weather stripping all the way around my T-tops, my door seals, my trunk, and I'm gonna see if he can fix my pedal too, because y'all know my pedal, so it's my throttle cable. I'm gonna see if he can get my pedal to come back up some, so I can, you feel me, because it's so close to the firewall to where you barely press the gas pedal and it's already touching the firewall. So I'm gonna see if he can fix that as well. And yeah, man, that's really all you're gonna be doing, you feel me. It ain't really much you're gonna be doing, but yeah, that's a lot. But it might not seem like a lot, but it is a lot, because the weather stripping itself is gonna be a lot to do. So, and that's something I don't know if I can do, so I'm happy he gonna be able to do it. So that's what we're gonna be doing, dropping the car off today. And yeah, then I'll just keep y'all updated as the car's getting, you feel me, finished and stuff. But if y'all didn't check out the last video, we got new headliner, bro, and this headliner looks so good. Let me turn my flashlight on. Woo! This suede headliner looks so sick, y'all. I'm loving it. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. Now I'm just needing to finish painting the rest of the interior. Then I need to go ahead and get my seats done. But if y'all didn't check this video out, man, go check this video out. This headliner is sticking, looking good, staying strong, and it feels amazing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got the headliner done now. Only thing this video really, I'm just gonna do a little walk around and we send the car off, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna drive it and drop it off. So I might let y'all watch me drive it, you feel me, while we getting out there to his shop. His shop not far from where this car is sitting at right now. It's probably like a 2-3 minute drive, not far at all. So yeah, I need to get all these tarps off, and then we got to hit the road, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's just like a 3-minute drive, 4-minute drive, somewhere around there, between 2 to 5 minutes. So pretty quick drive, not too long. And while the car is gone, my door panel should be coming in, so we're gonna be painting the door panels. And then after that, there's really nothing I know else that I can do with these cars, because this one gonna be gone, like I said. And then my box Chevy, I still gotta get the radiator, but my main focus was trying to make sure I had the money to get this stuff paid off, you know what I'm saying, and be able to pay the mechanic and all that type of stuff. So yeah, I'm putting my box Chevy on hold, because this car is my main focus right now, because it's a lot I need to do to it customization wise, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just taking my time, really. I'm not trying to rush it anymore. When I first started doing this car stuff, I was trying to rush everything, get everything all at once and do it all like within a week and stuff. So I'm just not trying to rush this, trying to take my time. So yeah, I need to get these tarps off. We're gonna do a little walk around. I'm gonna show y'all, or tell y'all basically what all is gonna be getting done. And like I said, y'all already know, it's just the weather stripping, the floor pans, and I'm gonna see if we can fix that pedal, or my throttle cable really. So yeah, let me get these tarps off and I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second. All right, y'all, tarps off. So one of the main things I need to get is go ahead and get my paint out. Nope, not that one. Paint. Oh, low on paint, so I'm gonna have to get more paint to be able to paint them door panels. But yeah, I need to go ahead and take this out, make sure I have it. But here go the headliner in the sun. It looks good. And the rest of this paint I'm not gonna need. I mean, I can pour this one out. Oh, I do have more paint. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Get the rest of this paint out. So I think that's all I'm gonna need out of the car. These are my floor pans. Y'all know the floor pans have to get put in. Look at that. So the floor pans gotta get put in, and then we gotta get the new weather stripper. So that's gonna be one of the main things y'all know getting done. And then the weather stripping on the doors as well. So right here, I think the kit come with that weather stripping as well. And then this door. So yeah, it's a lot we gotta do still. But that's one of the main things he gonna be fixing is the weather stripping. And y'all know I hate saying goodbye to my cars, but the work that need to be done is what got to be done. So let me pop the trunk. I would use my trunk pop, but I don't feel like turning the key over, so I'll just use the key. Y'all know, like I said, the trunk seal's getting redone. So all of this. And then once I get a little bit closer to being finished with the paint on the interior, we're gonna be throwing the carpet in, and I'm gonna take this car to my dad's shop and I'm gonna do it there. I'm gonna just tell him clean out one of the bays for me. But yep, trunk seal's getting redone. Yep. Look at that. So yeah, this is gonna be goodbye to the Cutlass for now. Y'all see right, I think that, like I said, I think the kit come with that as well. So it'll help rain from getting on the inside, water, rain, weather, all that type of stuff. So yep, I'm pretty sure all this will be done. Hopefully it will. And y'all know I tried to paint the door panels. They started cracking up and stuff, so I went ahead and ordered new door panels, so we ain't gotta worry about this. I ain't even gonna lift this up right now. I'm gonna leave that be. But weather stripping, y'all see it. Yep. So like I said, it's gonna be goodbye to the Cutlass for now. Hopefully it don't be gone too long. But yep, y'all know floor pans, weather stripping. We're gonna try to get this pedal fixed, because y'all can see it a little bit better now, how close it is to the firewall. You barely press it, it's already touching the firewall. So yeah, need to see if he can fix that throttle cable, so it'll be out here a little bit more like that. So hopefully he can fix it, because that is something I need done, really, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I want to get y'all a little cold start as well, but I'm trying to think what else needed to be done. I think that's all. Like I said, the weather stripping, the throttle cable for the gas pedal, and the rear floor pans. So let me go ahead and get y'all a cold start. See if we can get this first try. Fan dial, yep. There we go. Now I gotta let the car warm up for a little bit, so I'm not just finna take off in it, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna let it warm up for a little bit. And now it's idling. Dang it. Hold on. I got half a tank of gas in here too, and y'all know I changed well, since I had this car running, you feel me, I've been putting 93 in here, so this car got 93 gas in it already, so I ain't have to switch that over. But like I said, I'm finna let this warm up for about 5-10 minutes. Just let it, you feel me, get everything cycling, get everything warm, get everything good, you feel me. So yeah, I'm gonna let this warm up for a little bit, then I'm gonna let y'all come with me while I'm driving, you feel me. So I'll be back to y'all. Well, for a second for y'all, for me it'll be a couple minutes. But yeah, I'm finna let this warm up, move my brother's car out the way, and we finna drop this car off to get fixed. Well, basically fixed. Get a few things fixed. Alright y'all, so we finna get ready to get on the road. I done let the car warm up. As y'all can tell, I put it in gear and it ain't cutting off, so make sure I lock this door. Alright man, let's get this car dropped off. I hope I don't leave nothing in here that I'm gonna actually need, cause I got all the paint. I think that's all I really needed out of this car. I mean, I can grab my WD-40, but if I really need some, I'll just go to the store, get like another $5 bottle. This car is a runner, y'all. Y'all probably can't even really see me, but this car is a runner. Like I said, I love this car. I fell in love with this car. It's becoming my favorite car that I own, really. And it's mainly because I got these T-tops, and you feel me? Where I live, we don't see too many Oldsmobile Cutlasses, like really any down here. So y'all can barely even see me, but it'll be alright, you feel me? But like I said, it's kind of rare down here to see this car on the road, and especially like somebody this young, like my age, driving one of these cars. So and I got this car tagged and registered, insured, all of that, and it's all in my name, you know. So it's a blessing, you feel me? And like I said, you know, where I live, you don't see too many of these cars. Box Chevys, you see more of them than probably any other old school car down here, you feel me? So, and y'all hear that wind. Hopefully when we get that new weather stripping in, we won't hear none of that wind. Cause I fixed the door to where it shut flush. I wish I would have recorded it, but it took me literally like 5 minutes. So I wish I would have got that fixed right, on camera, but ended up doing it off camera. But I'm pulling up to his shop now. I will come back to y'all in 1 second after I give him the keys, cause I need to talk to him about a couple things. So yeah, I will come back to y'all in 1 second. Alright guys, so it's gonna be the end of this one. As y'all can tell, the car is gone. I am now back at my charger, and y'all know I still gotta find my last stock wheel. But y'all know I've been recording all these within the same like 2-3 days, you feel me, right back to back, trying to stack up as many videos as I can, since like I said, the Cutlass is gonna be gone. So that was my main content right there, and I haven't posted a video yet where I asked y'all if y'all would like to see me hooping again or what. So yeah, the Cutlass is gone, but we do got one more video that we're gonna be recording about the Cutlass once my door panels come in, and it's gonna be us painting the door panels. So yep, we need them door panels to come in. They're supposed to come in within the next couple days. Today's the November 6th. They said they was gonna be here by the 9th, so 3 more days they should be here. So let me walk over there and show y'all. Cutlass is gone. Y'all seen me driving it, so y'all, I know y'all believe me, but let's go ahead and walk over here real quick. And as y'all can see, the car is gone. No more tarps over here or nothing. So yep, say goodbye to the Cutlass. It's gone, but it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it shouldn't be too long. Hopefully it ain't too long. Hopefully we get the car back faster than what he expecting, cause you know what I'm saying, he just went ahead and ordered the weather stripping like right now. So he just ordered it, so that should be in, it said 5 days, so that's gonna be a week waiting on the weather stripping. But he said while he's waiting on that, he's gonna go ahead and put in the rear floor pans. And I told him he can go ahead and throw away that carpet that's in there, because you feel me, I'm putting new carpet in there regardless, so he can throw that carpet away. And plus it's a lot of rust stuck on the bottom of the carpet in the back, both sides, both rear floor pans. All that rust got stuck onto the carpet, so I told him he can just throw that carpet away. I'm gonna be throwing new carpet in the car anyway, so yeah, let that old carpet go, throw it away. And he asked me first, he said, you want me to throw it away? I was like, yeah, I don't need it because I got new carpet in the trunk already. He was like, okay, I'm gonna just throw it away. So yeah, that old carpet's gonna be trash, so he might throw the new carpet in the car now, but I really don't want him to, because like I said, still a lot of painting I gotta do, and I don't want to get, I mean, even though it's the same blue, I still don't want to get like no spray or nothing on that carpet. I don't want to get that carpet dirty yet or nothing, you feel me? So I mean, if he put it in there, it ain't gonna bother me, but I wanted to put, for one, I wanted to put it in there myself. So, but if he throw it in there, like I said, it ain't gonna be that big of a deal. So yeah, he said while he's waiting on the weather stripping to come, he gonna be throwing the rear floor pans in, and he gonna be fixing my pedal. So hopefully it be a 2-week turnaround, you feel me? Hopefully the car don't be gone for that long. Like I said, it's gonna take for at least 5 days for the weather stripping to come in. So yeah, that'll be a week there, and then putting them floor pans in. So like I said, it should be 2 weeks, if not 3 weeks. Hopefully I get this car back before December. That's what I want. I want it back before December, so I can do a little bit more work, and then when Christmas comes, take that little break, you feel me? We're not gonna get that many, like I'm not gonna drop on Thanksgiving, and I'm not gonna drop on Christmas Eve or Christmas. I think Christmas Eve is on the Sunday anyways, but Christmas I know for sure is on a weekday. We're not gonna be dropping on Christmas, so that's gonna be a day off, and then I'm not gonna drop on New Year's either, so it's gonna be another day off. So yeah, like I said, it's a lot to come with these cars, you feel me? But I don't really know what else I can be recording, like I said, while the weather is getting cold. Today is pretty warm. It feels pretty good out here today, but they said next week is supposed to drop down again. Like, the weather's been so crazy, you feel me? So that's the only reason why I've been trying to stack up on videos while it's warm, because for one, I haven't dropped a video where I asked y'all if y'all would like to see me hooping. So I don't know if y'all would like to see that, or if I could really just work on the car while the weather's, you feel me, kind of cold. I don't know. Like I said, that's something I gotta figure out, and I'm waiting to drop that video. But Cutlass is gone. Hopefully it'll be a 2 to 3 week turnaround so I can get the car back. We getting weather stripping, getting the pedal fixed. He gonna fix, like I said, a couple rust spots too. He told me he gonna go ahead and look at that and fix that, and then the floor pans. Then we should have the car back from there, and I think that'll be it, man. So yeah, just gonna be taking our time waiting on the car to get back, and see whatever we can record while it's gone, and then see whatever we can order too as well while the car is gone. So it's gonna be the end of this one, man. If y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. I'm going after mine. Y'all motivating me to go after my dreams and goals. So I want y'all to go after y'all dreams and goals as well. So I want to be that motivation to y'all, like y'all are that motivation to me. You feel what I'm saying? Because y'all motivating me to keep going after my dream, which is recording videos, vlogging, working on cars, all that type of stuff, you feel me? And being able to post it on YouTube and make any type of living. I don't care if it's a little bit of living, as long as I can be comfortable and still be able to do this for y'all. That's all that matters to me, you feel me? So go after y'all dreams and goals. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. I love and appreciate y'all with all my heart. For y'all, wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now. Like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.